difficult than it appears. The nest of the weaver bird is one of nature's most ingenious fortresses. Suspended from the thin outer branches of trees, the nest hangs over open space where heavy predators struggle to maintain balance. Its entrance is not a wide opening, but a narrow tubular tunnel woven from tough strands of grass. For the snake, this design creates a serious challenge. Its long body can coil around the branch, but pushing its head through the tight, downward-facing entrance requires extreme precision. Every movement causes the nest to swing and twist, making it difficult for the snake to keep its grip. The woven walls are strong yet flexible, resisting the predator